Welcome to this introduction to the Export Market Development Grant. My name is Eric Anderson and I'm from grantcentral.com.au. The information in this video is applicable to both the 2012-13 financial year as well as the 2013-14 financial year. The Export Market Development Grant is also known as the Export Grant, or by its initials EMDG. It is an entitlement or reimbursive grant. That is, if you are eligible and you've spent the money, then you're entitled to receive the grant or be reimbursed for the expenses. It is administered by Austrade and has an annual budget of $125 million. To be eligible for an application, applicants need to pay for eligible expenses, promote eligible products, and prove to Austrade that they have the capacity to export or are currently exporting. Export countries excluded under this program are New Zealand, Iran, and North Korea. The maximum number of applications that you can make in an entity is 7. You don't have to apply every year. You can miss a year or save a year for a year when you might be spending more. You should expect to have an audit prior to receiving your grant. Only payments for eligible expenses can be claimed. That is, expenses must be paid during the financial year from 1 July to 30th of June. The only exception to this is your first application, where an applicant can claim for expenses paid in 2 years. So, for example, if you want to put in an application for the year ending 30th of June 2013, and is your first application, you can go back to the previous financial year, 1 July 2011 to 30th of June 2012, and 1 July 2012 to 30th of June 2013 to claim any expenses that you have paid during those 2 years. The total of the expenses has to be more than 20,000, and the first 10,000 is not reimbursed by Austrade. The minimum grant payable is 5,000. It's 20,000 less than 10,000 not reimbursed times 50%. 10,000 times 50% will give you 5,000. The maximum grant payable is $150,000. So if you spend 310,000, you take off the first 10,000. So that gives you 300,000. 50% of that, of the remainder, is $150,000. There are 9 categories that you can claim expenses under: overseas representative, marketing consultant, overseas trips, communications, free samples, trade shows, advertising and promotion, overseas buyers, patents and trademarks. If you would like any more information, please contact me on the following contact details. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.